Hi, welcome everyone online.
Thank you. Thank you very much for joining us today. I see that it's already almost 2,000 people connected online. So thank you. Thank you very much for being here with us today.
Indeed, we're thrilled to have you here with us for this exciting online event. I'm Anna, responsible for channel marketing for EMEA here in HaiRobotics.
And I'm Stefano, EMEA Channel Director here at HaiRobotics. And together today, we're excited to finally share something that we've been eagerly anticipating. This is a game-changing system which has been designed with one goal in mind: to make warehouse automation simple. Simple to operate, simple to scale, and simple to maintain. So, removing all the barriers to warehouse automation.
That's right. After much anticipation and few sneak peeks online, the moment has finally arrived. We're delighted to officially introduce you to HaiPick Climb.
Let's take a close look at our latest innovation, the sleek and agile HaiClimber robot, which is at the very core of our new HaiPick Climb system. It is a true testament to our commitment to pushing the boundaries of warehouse automation.
Wow, look at this design. While our trusted ACRs are still going strong, the new robot really brings a sleek and modern look. Built for simplicity and efficiency, perfectly elevates our portfolio. We call it HaiClimbers for a reason. They literally climb to a simpler and more efficient future.
That's right, Anna. Today, HaiRobotics is taking another giant leap forward in transforming warehouse efficiency.
We're excited for you to see how this breakthrough can transform your operations. Let's now move to today's agenda and see what's there in the market. We will begin with the short animated video about HaiPick Climb, showing it how it works, its key features, and explaining why it's a game changer in the market. Following that, we will hear a few words from our CEO, Richie Chen, who will share his thoughts on this milestone moment. Then we'll take you to our HaiRobotics Innovation Center, where HaiPick Climb is already installed and ready for the live demonstration. Stefano will walk us through it and show how it works in real life. And of course, don't go anywhere after that, because we'll be back in here for a live Q&A session where Stefano take the pleasure to answer all your questions. So feel free to leave them in the inbox during the event. We hope you're as excited as we are. So let's get started and see what HaiPick Climb is all about.
It's simple, it's compact, it delivers unmatched impact. Meet HaiPick Climb, a simplified approach to efficient warehouse automation. With simplified racking and minimal floor requirements, HaiPick Climb fits into any new or existing facility for rapid go-live. Robots climb a single side of the rack, minimizing connection points and freeing facilities from strict tolerance limits. Intuitive workstations streamline operations, so operators can get up to speed quickly, and order picking errors are nearly eliminated. Facing peak season rush or rapid business growth, you can simply add robots to boost throughput effortlessly. Start with what you need now and expand as your business grows. Simplicity paves the way to efficiency. Compact HaiClimbers move fast to reduce travel time, enabling order fulfillment within 2 minutes after receival to boost efficiency. Get the most of your space with maximum storage density that minimizes your inventory footprint. HaiClimbers pick from both sides of the aisle. They move freely up, down, and beneath racks, optimizing travel paths and enabling you to ship more orders than ever before. HaiPick Climb, simplified efficiency.
And we're back from the animation. What an impressive look to our breakthrough technology. If I understand it correctly, the robot climbs only one side of the rack, right?
Yes, that's absolutely right, Anna. The single-sided climbing is one of the game-changing features. It requires minimal floor flatness and levelness, so no complex infrastructure is needed, no long downtimes. This effortless implementation and scalability truly sets HaiPick Climb apart, making it perfect for both new buildings as well as brownfield installations.
That's amazing. It sounds like HaiPick Climb removes the barriers to automation with a system like this. You effortless to adopt and expand while delivering unmatched reliability.
Absolutely. This system has proven capable of being deployed in as little as 1 to 3 months, depending on the project size. And operating the system is relatively easy. Any team can learn how to use the system in just about 30 minutes, thanks to its intuitive interface. So the results can be seen relatively fast. And then with HaiPick Climb, a single robot handles the whole picking process, keeping everything simple and straightforward. And when you need to scale, just add robots, racks, or both, so boosting throughput without disrupting operations. Orders can be fulfilled in just about 2 minutes, so how much throughput and reliability. And lastly, every robot operates independently from each other, which means there's no single point of failure.
Wow, that's simplicity that really delivers results. It's all about reducing complexity while boosting efficiency, storage density, and increased scalability. Now, let's pass our words to our CEO, Richie Chen, who will share his vision and strategy that was behind this revolutionary solution.
Hi, everyone. This is Richie Chen. I'm the founder and the CEO of HaiRobotics. Today, I would like to introduce our revolutionary new product to you, HaiPick Climb. The reason why we founded HaiRobotics is that we want to work with the best people around the world, and we want to push forward the progress of human civilization using robotics. What does it mean by pushing forward the progress of human civilization? It means that we want to bring tremendous value to the industry and to the world. A lot of warehouses and factories, they want to do automation, but they fear the complexity related with automation. That's why we develop HaiPick Climb that adapts your needs whenever and however. Instead of having complex conveyors and environment, we put all the complexity into the robots. We have simple rack, simple floor, simple implementation, and a beautifully designed robot. Combining them together, we have a simple solution, and it simply works. Whether you have a greenfield or brownfield, HaiPick Climb is perfect for you. I would like to invite you to see a real demonstration of HaiPick Climb.
Thank you. Thank you, Richie, for those inspiring words. Now let's move to the HaiRobotics Innovation Center together with Stefano, where he will walk us through HaiPick Climb and its incredible capabilities.
Welcome to our HaiRobotics Innovation Center located in the Netherlands, where innovation meets reliability. We are thrilled to introduce our new HaiPick Climb solution. Today, you'll see how this cutting-edge technology transforms warehouse automation with its simplicity, speed and throughput, and future-ready design. Over the years, HaiRobotics has been continuously redefining automation with innovative and scalable solutions like HaiPick System 1 and 3. Building on that legacy, HaiPick Climb represents the pinnacle of innovation and reliability, designed for your businesses ready to embrace the future, and we cannot wait to show you its transformative values. So what is HaiPick Climb? Well, it's a streamlined goods-to-person system using just one type of robot, the HaiClimber. It climbs racks using a single-sided guide rail, so freely navigating on, under, and between the racks. By handling the entire picking and put-away process alone, it keeps the installation simple while delivering impressive throughput. These plug-and-play robots are ready for actions once you power them on. So every aspect from setup to daily use has been designed and optimized to minimize complexity. Each HaiClimber attaches to a single rack side with extendable arms, cutting the usual connection points in half. This design reduces installation precision and floor flatness requirements, which simplifies installation and ensures stability at heights up to 12 meters. We've also made daily operation incredibly simple. Our intuitive workstation interface means operators can learn the system fast, even in high turnover environments. fewer errors, fewer delays, and faster onboarding, all add up to a smoother, more efficient workflow and a quicker return on investment. At HaiRobotics, we believe speed and throughput are the keys to unlocking efficiency. HaiPick Climb's compact design allows the robots to move freely on, under, and between the racks, taking the shortest path to any tote. Combined with the rapid horizontal and vertical speeds, these robots can fulfill urgent orders in as little as 2 minutes, which is perfect for same-day delivery or heavy seasonal demand. With throughput reaching up to 4,000 totes per hour in a single 1,000 square meter zone, HaiPick Climb helps you handle fluctuating demands with ease, while reducing overall operational costs. But efficiency isn't just about speed. Our compact robots can navigate narrow aisles without needing cross aisles, and they scale racks up to 12 meters. That adds up to 30,000 store allocations in the same 1,000 square meter space mentioned before. By packing more inventory into a smaller footprint, you save on rent, avoid immediate facility expansions, and comfortably grow your operations over time. With HaiPick Climb, you'll achieve both rapid throughput and maximum storage density, driving real, sustainable growth for your business. HaiPick Climb isn't just built for now. It's designed to expand right alongside your business. What you see in our showroom is just a glimpse. In real-world operations, you can quickly add more robots and racks as the demand rises, so you can think big, start small, and scale fast without disrupting the daily operations. This scalable approach also makes HaiPick Climb incredibly flexible. Whether you're handling B2B or B2C or omnichannel fulfillment, the system adapts to changing layouts and diverse order profiles, so you can pivot quickly and stay ahead of market shifts. HaiPick Climb integrates safety and reliability at every level. Each system is fenced off to prevent unauthorized entry, ensuring your inventory stays secure. And all human interaction happens at ergonomic workstations away from active robots. Operators wearing the high safety vest can work safely alongside the running robots. The vest signals to the system to slow or stop robots when people come close, which is perfect for tasks like maintenance or cleaning. And because each robot operates independently from the rest, there is no single point of failure. So if one robot encounters an issue, the rest simply keep working. That means you get consistent uptime that modern operations depend on. What you see here is just a glimpse of HaiPick Climb's potential. It's a straightforward approach to efficient warehouse automation, boosting performance, cutting out complexity, and helping you stay ahead of ever changing demands. Thank you for joining us for the first ever reveal of HaiPick Climb right here in the European Innovation Center. We have reached the end of this release event and we're ready to answer any questions you may have.
Thank you. Thank you, Stefano, for giving us a first-hand experience with HaiPick Climb at the Innovation Center. Now I see the chat is popping up with so many questions. Your engagement means a lot to us. Thank you. Let's dive into it, and Stefano will take the pleasure to answer those, right?
Yeah.
Should we start with something? Oh, I see something interesting. I think I just saw the videos of the project sites where HaiPick Climb is already installed. I thought this was a new product.
Yeah, interesting question. Yes, I see we have very attentive listeners. So this is indeed a new product, although we do have loyal customers which trust the brand HaiRobotics and trust our robots and our solutions, and that have seen a potential benefit for their operation in this new product. So together with them, we had a collaboration and we agreed to deploy this new solution even before the official launch of their sites. So we are very eager to see and to find out how this collaboration unfolds for their operations, and we will be able to tell you more about these sites in the future. So stay tuned.
Thank you. Let's move to the next one. Why did you decide to only have the robot climb up a single side of the rack instead of both sides as it's commonly seen?
Yeah, that's a very interesting question. Yeah. I like the fact that we're already diving into more technical stuff. So there's two sides to this story. One side is that the robot interaction point with the rack by climbing on only one side is cut in half, which means reducing the cost and the complexity for the overall solution. So there's a cost effect and there's a simplicity effect, meaning that allowing for the robot to climb only on one side allows for both the rack and the floor to be built to a smaller degree of precision. In a practical example, if the rack is deployed even slightly tilted and not precisely and perfectly deployed, for the robot it's still okay because it climbs only on one side. So which means that we can deploy this solution on existing buildings, not only new buildings which are made to the specs. So existing buildings which were probably made years ago with the specs not aligned to what other automation would need. Well, in this case, this is relatively flexible to adapt to brownfield conditions. So this brings the adjustments to still achieve a very high reliability of picking to the robot, which has several adjustment mechanisms to ensure this reliability, while the simplicity and the degree of deployability of the solution is still very high.
Thank you indeed. And we move to our next question, and it is, wouldn't you have more available storage space if the robot didn't have to extend itself to attach to the rack?
Yeah, interesting one. So in our system, the whole space underneath the rack, as is correctly pointed out in this question, is free. Being free means that the whole space can be used for free roaming of these robots under the rack. So which means that the throughput in this solution is very, very high. This allows also to remove the aisles, the driving alleys for the robot. So it means that there's virtually no aisles for dedicated running of the robots underneath. So we achieve a good compromise between storage density and throughput, which allows for this system to be a breakthrough technology in the intralogistic landscape.
Thank you, Stefano. Let's move forward with the question. Here is one. Does this system support a double deep storage?
Yes, it does. It will be released throughout the year 2025. So stay tuned because this is coming.
Great. And next one is, does this system support multiple tote sizes in the same installation?
Yeah, very interesting one. So this system and this product was designed with one keyword in mind: simplicity, as you can see in my back. So simplicity means that standardization was needed in the process of design. So this robot is working with one tote size only in terms of footprint. Nevertheless, if a warehouse operation needs to work with flexible sizes of totes or even cartons, extra large size cartons or totes, in our portfolio, we also have HaiPick System 3, which is probably just the perfect technology to face multiple load handling capabilities.
Thank you. I think in addition to that, you've already mentioned, we can quickly answer this one. How can HaiClimber work with cartons?
Yes, we can handle cartons as long as they're put on trays. So trays or totes need to have the same footprint, but yes, cartons can be handled as long as they're put on top of trays.
Thank you. Let's move forward with this question. The robot is heavy and climbs high. How do you ensure safety?
Well, I'm happy to see that the listeners are concerned about safety. Well, these robots are equipped with two types of safety mechanisms. One is the electronic brake and one is the mechanical brake. They work together with the control system. So as soon as any possible anomaly is detected, so for example, a misalignment between expected speed or acceleration and the real one, the electronic brake engages so that the robot is stopped immediately, but also the mechanical brake engages so that the robot is locked to the rack. This prevents any fall. Even in the rare case of malfunctioning, the robot is not allowed to fall because of this safety mechanism, which makes the system safe, even in the rare case that the safety system is tricky.
Let's, I think, pick the last one. as we wrap it up, if the racks on the left and right sides are not perfectly aligned, how do you ensure accurate picking from the opposite side?
Yeah, I can see that this is coming from the points I raised earlier. So yeah, the robot, while climbing, its position is detected by the system exactly because of the vertical positioning system that is the robot is equipped with. Now, when the robot arrives at the right height, the positioning mechanism also allows to detect the exact position of the toads on both sides. So if the robot is climbing on one side of the rack, but it has to pick the toad on the opposite side, even if the racks are not perfectly aligned, the robot can make up for this eventual possible misalignment, corrects its position also horizontally, and then performs the pick. So this allows to achieve very high reliability degree of the picking, even when the rack is not perfectly aligned. And this is actually the core feature of this system.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you, Stefano, for such a detailed explanation.
My pleasure.
As we wrap up, we want to extend a huge thank you to everyone who was here with us, who made this happen, for our incredible R&D team and everyone who contributed to bring HaiPick Climb to life. This is more than just a product launch. It's a new era of warehouse automation, one where performance doesn't come at cost of complexity, one where automation is simple as it should be. And of course, a big thank you for all of you who've been part of this journey with us today. If you want to see HaiPick Climb live, please join us at Logimat in Stuttgart this March, where you will be able to see live how this breakthrough works and what makes it so special. Thank you for being with us today, and let's welcome to the future of automation. Welcome to HaiPick Climb.